What's up guys, it's John Muscarello here. Today I am taking pictures of books. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm a full-time reseller. I sell on Amazon and eBay. I sell mainly books and used media. And today I'm gonna show you how I take pictures of sets. I'm basically gonna pretend like this GoPro is me taking photos with my iPhone. So I take the pictures in portrait mode on iPhone. It makes it a much cleaner cut for the picture, and it's less cropping later on. So I'll do that. And so basically this is the setup. Basically it is the poster board right here. It's a trifold. You can get these pretty cheap. Someone has told me they got them at the dollar store. So I'll put one down on the table and then put one standing up, so I have a totally white background. eBay definitely likes to have that white background. So then what I would do was I have my card over here of winners usually, and then I have on my laptop over here, which you can't see because it's locked, basically like a Google sheet of basically everything that I want to take pictures of, and it's usually in order of price because I want to take pictures of the most expensive stuff first. This way I want to list in that order. I don't have time to list everything. I definitely want, you know, the most expensive items up there. So this is a set of Sinclair Lewis books. These are from the Collier. That's the publisher. So these are from, I think, hold on here, 1922-ish. These are definitely, they all have been published on different dates. So I think it goes from 1922 up to 1940, I think. So basically what you want to show, you basically just want to show them, you know, the set, the kind of condition it's in, maybe a date or two, if it has any pictures inside. So let's pretend that I'm taking pictures of this with my iPhone. So basically this would be my first picture. That's one. Then I get a side shot, that would be two. I would take one at the top, that would be three. This is to show people, you know, what kind of condition it is that dirty or not. Then I would basically flip the books like this. This would be more straight. That would be the next picture. I could show them, like, you know, is there discoloration on those pages or not? Then I would kind of push this poster back a little bit. Then I would lay them out like this. Kind of like that. Then I would take that picture. I want to show them that, you know, it's a clean. Then I would do the fronts to show them what it looked like. And you know, you kind of just want to make it look nice. So that's the next picture. And then to wrap it up, I would probably go in here and I just do one book for this. I just like take a picture of the title page. I take a picture of the date over here. And that's pretty much it. This way they could see that. If there were any illustrations in this book, I would definitely take a picture of that. People love to see the illustration, especially if you have color plates. Because I really like to see that, what that looks like, that old color plates. But yeah, that's kind of it, guys. Then usually I will list them. So let me go back 1 second here. So if I was listing these, actually, this way. All right, so, oops. So that would be my hero image. Then it would go, I basically take them in order. So look how I would take them. That's how I post them. That would be the hero image. So my very first image. Then I would put the other ones in order how I took them. And then the last one would be that one. So not anyone but the second picture. The second picture always goes last. I just like to show them like it's straight on and then a shot from the side. That seems to work for me. This is a nice set of books. These are I think these are selling for maybe $74-ish. So yeah, that's how I take pictures of sets, of older books. If it was newer books, it would just literally be the same thing, but they'd all be published in the same year. So that is pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I'd be happy to answer them. Again, I'm always happy if you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. It means the world to me. And I'll see you guys in the next video.